Vanakkam. Now we are going to solve problem 3.13 from Digital Design by Moris Mano's 5th edition. The question is to simplify the following expressions to sum of products and product of sum. So we have to find the simplified expression in both the format, okay, SOP and POS form, okay. So first let's get started with the first problem. It is the A problem, that is given as x dash z dash plus y dash z dash plus y z dash plus xy. So we are going to place ones corresponding to that. Okay, so x dash is z dash. So for this x dash and z dash is coming here and here. So we place a 1 here as well as here. Okay, then the next one is y dash is z dash, second term. Y is z dash plus xy. So we go for the second term. So it is y dash is z dash, isn't it? So y dash is z dash is here, this one. So for that already we place a 1 here, one more 1. Okay, for the fourth term. This is for the fourth midterm. So this is for y dash is z dash. Now we go for the third term. So what's the third term? It is y is z dash. So y is z dash means this one, right? So for this column, already this cell is filled. Now we are filling the sixth cell. Okay. Then the last one is xy. So x is here, y is on these two. So we are placing ones corresponding to these two. Already the one is available, so only one is enough now. Okay, so we have filled. Now we can form the loops corresponding to this, isn't it? So for that we can form a quad like this by combining these four ones together. Okay, so this can be called as loop 1. Then we can form a pair by combining these two ones, that is in the sixth and the seventh cell. So this is your loop 2. Now it's time to write the simplified expression. Okay, for loop 1 it covers these two, so this becomes 1. All the rows are covered. Column wise it covers these two, so we can cancel out this y dash and y, and then z dash only exists. So the answer for this is z dash. For the loop 2, it is covering this pair 6th and 7th, so row wise x, column wise these two. So here z and z dash get cancelled, only y is existing, here x is existing, so it is x y. Okay, so the simplified answer is f simplified, that is equal to z dash plus xy. This is in SOP form. Now we have to write the same with the POS. Okay, so that we have to mark zeros in the remaining cells. So already we have marked ones for this problem, and the rest of the cells can be marked with zeros. Okay, so for that zeros we have to form groups. So we can form the group like this. These two zeros can be combined and it marks the loop 1 for POS, and then one more is left out, right? So it can be combined like this. This first and the fifth cell can be combined with the zeros for POS format. So it can be named as loop 2. So for loop 1 you can write the expression like it covers this and these two columns. Okay, so x dash can be written as x plus, here these two get cancelled, you get the z here, right? That can be written as z dash. Then for loop 2 it covers on this side x dash and x, so they get cancelled. Column wise it is y dash z, right? So it can be written as y plus z dash, isn't it? Right. So f simplified in POS form, isn't it? Product of sum, that can be written as x plus z dash multiplied by y plus z dash. So this is the answer. So now we are going to simplify the second problem, that is the B problem, ACD dash plus C dash D plus AB dash plus ABCD. So for that we have to mark a 1s corresponding to SOP. Okay, so for this ACD dash, so A is here, CD dash is here, so we can place 1s here into this. And then you go for this C dash D only. Okay, So what is C dash D? It is available here. So corresponding to this, we have to place ones. So all the columns are covered. Then AB dash. So AB dash is here, it is AB dash. Okay. So that means all the rows are marked with ones. Then ABCD. So it is AB here, CD is here. So this is the SOP format. We have the min terms. For that we are placing ones. For the rest of the cells we can place zeros like this, all the remaining cells. It would be for considering POS format. Okay. So first we will consider SOP. So we have to combine the ones together, adjacent ones together. So for this I can combine this 4 number of ones. These 4 ones can be combined 1, 5, 13, 9. Then we can combine these 4 ones. This is first loop. So this is loop 1. Then we can combine these 4 ones. Can combine these 4 ones, that is 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. This forms group 2, loop 2. Then we go for the formation of loop 3. These 4 ones can be combined, right? So this is loop 3. Okay. Now we can write the simplified expression for this loop 1, 2 and 3. So for loop 1 it is A dash, B dash, A dash, B, A, B and A, B dash. All the 4 rows are covered. Here this column is covered. So all 4 rows are covered means this is 1. Column wise it covers C dash. Then we go for loop 2. So for loop 2 it covers row wise this one, column wise all these 4 columns are covered. So it is 1. Here it is A dash, A, B dash. So the answer for this loop 2 is A, B dash. Then what is loop 3 simplified expression? So loop 3 actually covers these 2 rows and these 2 columns, isn't it? So that is A and then here it is C. So the answer for this is F simplified in SOP format, that is equal to C dash D plus AB dash plus AC. So this is the answer. Now the same problem can be written in POS format. So to find out the POS format, we need to place all the unfilled cells with the zeros. Okay, already we marked ones here as well as zeros. Zeros are the places in which there no ones are entered. Okay, so first you make entries of all the ones here. Afterwards the unfilled cells must be filled with zeros. Okay, now we are going to combine the zeros only, not the ones. Okay, so you just ignore the ones. These 4 ones, these 4 zeros can be combined, right? And let's mark this as loop 1, and then we are going to mark loop 2. So for loop 2 we can combine like this, 2 zeros along with this zeros. So it's again a quad, but now it is our second loop, loop 2. Then we have to combine this 0 only, right? So to combine this 0, you can make it like this, right? This is loop 3. So how to write the expression for loop 1? So loop 1 actually covers these 2 row wise and these 2 column wise, isn't it? So it is A dash is available, B dash and B get cancelled. So that A dash must be written as A, and here it is covering CD and CD dash. So D dash and D get cancelled. C is available, that should be written as plus C dash. Then we go for the second loop. So second loop is this red color, right? So for that it covers these 2 and these 2 column wise. So row wise you get it as A dash, so that should be written as A, plus here C dash C cancel, D dash is available, that should be written as D. Then we go for loop 3. So for loop 3 it covers these 2 zeros. So row wise these 2 and column wise this one, right? So it is B along this side, so it is B dash. Here it is C dash, D dash, so you have to write it as plus C plus D. Okay, so they have simplified for this in POS format. That is equal to, the answer is A plus C dash first loop, then second loop A plus D, for the third loop it is B dash plus C plus D. So this is the answer. Thank you.